When building your team for a production, what are the steps to take?
One of the most important aspects of pre-production is also hiring your crew. It's not something you should overlook. These are going to be the people that can make or break your day. Emotionally, they're going to be the people who you have to lean on as you're sitting in the trenches. I spend a lot of time interviewing people. I always call 2 to 3 references. I want to make sure that these people are exceptional at their job. It's one thing for a first AC to tell me, I'm great at pulling focus. I never ask an AC if they're good at pulling focus. Like, they're obviously going to say yes. What I ask them is, how do you tend to work well with a DP? What kind of gear do you tend to use? I'll ask the gaffer that as well. What kind of lighting do you tend to do? Like, what sort of style feels appropriate to you? What kind of LED units do you work with? What kind of units do you work with in general? If, say, you were lighting a big daytime interior and we were looking for something that was, shafts of light. You're kind of wanting to gauge both their technical proficiency, but also just their attitude, how they are emotionally. And a lot of times that's why you have to talk to references. I talk usually to at least 2 to 3 DPs that have worked with that gaffer or first AC, because I want to know when it's 2 a.m., and we're all tired, how are they? Are they great on set? Are they somebody that's an anchor? Are they somebody that you can trust? Are they somebody who's steadfast? I can't emphasize enough how important that is. Additionally to that, it's also about hiring crew that is going to make your talent and your director feel comfortable. If you're working with a female director, do you want her to show up and every single person she sees is a man? Like, that is going to create an environment that she's working in where suddenly, like, she's gonna feel out of place. It's being conscious of that, I think, is really important for us as artists. And it's also important in terms of the industry at large. It's like, are the sets you're on, do you want them to reflect the world at large so that the choices that are made on set are more realistic and they speak to a diverse set of voices? I think that's also important. So I think you have to weigh those things, and it's very difficult when you go on a movie and you're in another country or you're in another state and you don't know people and you're leaning on references and people around you. Like, you have to do the best you can, and frankly, you're not gonna always hire the right person every time. You make the best with what you have, and if it's not a good fit, it's better to recognize that early and part ways early on, which I really have not done, because I really do try to succeed with the people that we've hired.